Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and a little while back, actually October 24th of 2020, I made a quick video about applications I use on my smartphone. So I've added applications since that, and I wanted to update that. I'm going to include the ones that I originally included in my video, and then I'm going to show you all the new ones that I put in there just to make a comprehensive collection video for you.
And I'm not going to go too in-depth with them. If anyone needs me to go in-depth on them, I mean, certainly leave a comment down below, and I'll certainly do that. But I think they're all pretty much, if you know how to utilize apps, if you know how to use these programs online, on a computer, your desktop or laptop, then you can certainly use these as an app. These are all pretty self-explanatory, so we'll start with analytics. And this is very cool on the go, just to check out what your website's doing and who is visiting. WordPress, you can go in and make any changes just like you would on your computer. Smaller version of it, of course. So we can just sign in here, and I can do new pages, new posts, add plugins, and all that good stuff right on my little phone here. And let's get out of here. This one. Okay, ClickBank, pretty self-explanatory. ClickBank, geez. I haven't had enough coffee this morning, apparently. ClickBank just lets you go through, see what products, affiliate products that you want to deal with, that you want to sell. GetResponse is if you are using GetResponse for your email marketing campaign. It just shows you who's been signing up and all that good. Looks like I've gotten 3 new signups since then. Since what is it? 30 days. Not a lot, but I don't do much with that. All right, and then Skype for Business, regular Skype. That's just a chat program. I'm sure you all know what Skype is. Google Ads, self-explanatory there. Zoom, if you want to do conference calls with other people, talk to them face-to-face over your phone. This is Microsoft Teams. So if you want to have a chat with a group of people, an ongoing chat, you can certainly do that. Facebook ads. Again, most of these are pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to get into it, but you can just take a look for Facebook ads in your favorite app store and download that. We got JVZoo, we got Commission Junction, we got Share a Sale. These are all affiliates apps that you can go in and check your sales on there. Canva, just like your desktop or laptop version, you can go in and make different thumbnails, different things for your website, different artsy-fartsy kind of stuff, whatever you need to make, openings. Just a smaller version. Fiverr, you can hire someone to, again, basically do the same thing I just said. If you want to hire someone to do logos and video openings, and really anything you can think of, copywriting, anything you can probably pretty much think of that you need to do with your website or online marketing. There's someone on Fiverr that will help you do that. Dropbox, that's just a place to put your files, so you can utilize them in any computer where you can log into your Dropbox. Y2 Studio, one of my faves that I look at on a daily basis just to see what my stats are for my YouTube channel. So it looks like it's updated this morning, and as of yesterday, I had 1.78 watch hours, and let's see, views went up a little bit just to the fact that I had a lot of videos yesterday. All right, Amazon seller. So just as its namesake, it's your seller account for your Amazon. Same with eBay. My Business, this is a Google application. It's just a application for your phone. For obviously, these are all applications for your phone. Just with your business information that Google would see. GIF Maker, very fun. If you want to make your own GIFs, you just shoot some video of yourself or grab some pictures, and you can make your own GIFs on there. Loom, that's also a video recording program. For whatever reason, I couldn't get into this marketing folder when I started Loom. It still works. It's still effective. It's just it wouldn't let me get into this folder for whatever reason, but I just downloaded and played with it. So Otter, very awesome. Excuse me, Otter is pretty spectacular. So you can, it's a dictation program. So you can be driving, like I have a 50-minute drive to my real job, and then I can write my books while I'm driving. It all does dictation. I can download everything when I'm done and put it all together and edit it. Very awesome program. Smart video, rotate and flip. And that is pretty self-explanatory. If your video is the wrong way, you can flip it. And I'm getting sorry about that. And Malwarebytes, that's just for malware. If you want to check your system for malware, pretty self-explanatory there. These two are for your YouTube stats and information and analysis. So they just give you pretty much the same information I just showed you on that other app. Just shows you good keywords that are being used and some good stuff. I'm going to go into this one real quick. Alright, so you can download those apps I download all this at Google Play, any app store. Alright, get me out of this thing here. Wow, I gotta close a few of these. And we'll get back to the folder once, let's get back into this folder. Alright, and then this is the AZ screen recorder is what I'm recording right now with. Video Maker, you can make kooky videos, put different animations and stuff. They have pre-formatted stuff in there. I played around with it a little bit. Same with Marketing Video Maker, kind of the same deal. And then Airdroid allows you to link up your computer or laptop with your phone. And I'll actually be doing a separate video for that. It's a pretty cool app you can use. All right, guys and gals, that's my collection of apps that I use on a regular basis. And as I collect more and more of these, and as long as I use them and they're effective for me, I'll keep them. I've used other apps, I just don't. I've utilized them, checked them out, but I didn't keep them just to the fact that I would never use them. But these are the ones I use all the time. All right, gals and guys, sorry I'm umming during this video. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm only on 1 cup of coffee, so that's probably why. But I appreciate you as always. If you could, please join the channel. Please share this video. Please like this video, and you can ring the bell below. You'll see all the updates for my channel as they come in. And thank you very much. Have yourself a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.